We're back.
Yeah. I want to throw something.
That's it.
Take this one. Pick it. Pick him. Take this one.
Everyone, welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We'll not get Pomioni, the HR expert for the studio. We'll officially hand over to Pomioni. Make it tell us what we will discuss today for Inside the Night Show. Over to you. Owner of Monday.
Today, now workplace dressing.
Workplace dressing.
Some people know sabi how to dress to work.
Okay.
They can just wear any kind thing.
Please be specific. Some kind, describe the kind of dressing. I don't know, short skirt kind of dressing, mini skirt,
or some kind of,
top.
low top dressing. Yeah.
This one when they wear. What's it they call them?
This
they all right for work, I think.
Say some people where they try to do music when they won't start. They just be upcoming.
So you've been an upcoming musician. No, but now for entertainment, this is how they work now. So this is how we dress.
It too matter. It too matter. Like me and Katim talk now. Like upcoming. Those upcoming, they try to.
So wetin be your upcoming stage name? And which kind song?
What people don't understand? They say the problem with our parents, and they translate to performance. Your appearance translate to your performance. If people perceive you in a certain way because of the way you dress, one, if it make you not get the job, if you get the job, you feel not get promotion. Yeah.
Because of wetin you wear.
They say the way you look plays a significant role in success.
So the way you dress, if you go interview, they feel not give you work.
Yes.
And even if you can't get the work, they feel not promote
delay
you.
your promotion. Yeah. This one was a research conducted in Pennsylvania. So they highlight the kind things where be say you supposed to
but wetin
dress.
they work they no go fit work here like that now.
Kind of Pennsylvania now.
No be pencil.
So there be general rules. As in just general rules.
Okay.
Just general rules as it appears to dress.
Okay.
No be say a day suited to I day Australia, I day Canada.
How are people when they go
US.
interview, they smell, they go. See some people.
Interview people okay. Easy bit. Now you go ask the person who come interview. Imagine say you get mouth odor.
Then armpit odor. Then
Like,
they
no,
want
wait,
you want conquer it. Then you go want conquer it.
Okay, the person just said that. Okay, sit down. Say for interview now, go sit down face to face. Okay, sit down. So what's your name? No, the person in that. Okay, what's your name?
Thank you for that question. My name is
It's okay. It's on your CV.
Oh, okay.
Don't worry. Don't speak less.
Okay. Thank you, sir. So that they bring mouth past.
Wait, I just say that. So that talk like that, thank you, sir.
No, thank you, sir.
John on the icon. We'll get back to you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It's God that will bless you.
And you know what they pay back? All those people when they get out order, now then they gossip pass. And then they get to whisper. You know, why do that? With that mouth order.
Try to whisper.
You really with that mouth order do me something. God, I can never forget. It nearly changed my skin color. You know when they do every first of month, you come go church, morning prayer. Now so the woman, he no brush. Hey, Jesus. The guy with her side, no brush. No, the guy with my the two side. The woman dey my right, the guy dey my side. They no brush. Not be him. Talk to your neighbor and say, in this month you will succeed. So this month you succeed. This month you my brother. The brother already scatter the month.
No be even mouth.
Hey!
How about the ones?
I said that guy wouldn't be saying he go give you amnesia. You can't answer say, what am I?
But this one we go talk this side. They don't highlight them.
Okay.
Just general things.
Okay, continue.
They say first one, understand what is appropriate in your industry.
Okay, understand. Okay, waiting there for example now.
Exactly.
As I take dress now, I be like music, entertainment
Upcoming.
industry. Not calling upcoming.
Upcoming. You never blow. In quotes. Upcoming.
Okay.
Some people will be say their workplace, they say make they wear uniform. Okay. Now uniform is supposed to wear. Not go carry one thing where we say, this one be like our uniform. It get the same color. Now only logo change. I feel wear them. Okay. You suppose they suited. If you're a waitress, you get your uniform now. If you're a hostess, you get uniform. If you're a housekeeper, you get uniform. If you're a factory worker, you get safety and uniform. Say where you go wear. Not be say you go carry one boots where we say, this boots.
All that one, you fit wear them after work clothes, I think.
If you wear them after work. Then number 2, they say make sure your clothes fit. You know some people they like when they wear. If you know how much I buy these clothes.
Then we call name.
You know be their size though.
For this office, and plenty. It gets some kind girls. We're not gonna call their name. Some names start with G. They are clothes now. Now they're gonna use hand they drag them down. Meanwhile, now you see them when you buy them.
Yeah.
Sister, you know yourself. I love you, baby. But you know, sir.
They say your clothes, you know, suppose they're too small or too big. Some people, they know say the clothes small, they could come wear them. As they sit down like this,
they'll come, they cross their legs.
They go come, they
No, nothing that drag them down. Like you wear them, you don't know. You go to drag them down. You don't know say enough fit.
So they say your clothes, make sure say they your appropriate size. Not be say go they too big. Some people they go say the clothes not be their size. But because they like that clothes, say I must buy this clothes. When people see me, they will know how much. Hey. So they say you should ensure that your clothes, they appropriate. Not too tight, not too fit. Then number 3, don't be too sexy. This one, women, they do and pass. Yes. They say not only is wearing inappropriate clothing distracting, it also gives off an inaccurate impression.
Because the person will
I don't know that thing for Tangado nowadays.
But this is I don't know.
I'm not gonna
If they get some visuals where we go show, you go see how short.
Show them now.
We supposed to show them now.
Show them now. Some pictures of how they're not supposed to dress. Have you had this?
Yeah, how they're not supposed to dress, then how they're supposed to dress.
Most see some pictures of how you're not supposed to dress and how you're supposed to dress.
Yeah.
Then we'll come back. Okay, this one. Hey!
You see?
Now, Kada, they see this one pass.
Plumber wear jeans, the jeans don't be their size, but because they won't look like a teenager, you know, they won't look say they're set. Can't go wear kenny. As they sit down like this, the thing go just jump up. See the tattoo. You won't make with they see the tattoo for the back self. See this one now. If they go work, we can't wear
upcoming jeans.
Upcoming.
So this one not supposed to
go
work.
No, this one for corporate office. You're not supposed to wear this one. For office, like normal office wear, then they get clients.
If they work for night.
Now, see this one now, how they impair them. You see, say the person carry bag, they go office. But you're not supposed to dress like this.
Yes.
But it depends on the kind of work when they do now.
No, it don't be say the kind of work. See, they said your appearance, it dictates your success. If I look
but as he carry that thing now, you find.
See this dress now, it don't day too tight.
No, this one, but plenty girls, you go see this one, they go wear them, come wear jacket on top.
It
they'll come
too
to office, they'll come drop the jacket.
It day too tight and it day too short for office.
So this one now, of course, this one, no, this one not good.
Now, see that one now. See the tights we wear under and they go work.
This one no good. Okay, now because
they wear leggings. They wear leggings. When are they want me to put your shot finish now? Come on, this one, we see the full picture.
Suppose zoom on.
Zoom on, we see the full picture, because.
Aha, you see? You see the lacy.
So if you say you don't wear that leggings,
the thing to put. Women they do this one.
Cabin biscuit.
It day too tight.
Hey!
See how all the underwear does the show.
Hey! One maybe your signs of end time.
They go say, Shebi they know say they wear pants before.
This one 1004 area.
See cleavage.
This
some
one
now. Go wear shirts. You see cleavage?
Now receptionist and then they wear this one.
They will put tattoo for here.
Bank marketers.
Now so. But
now see this one now. By the time the woman button the shirt, she say the thing go.
Yeah, it go pop out.
Yeah.
Like a puppy.
So, but some people get some office now where they say make them dress like this.
No, but what offices would they? Okay,
now,
this one
is appropriate dressing.
This is a normal office dressing.
You know they're too tight. You know they're too short, and it's still they trendy.
Yes.
See this one now, fitted and trendy. Yeah.
But some people go tell you say if they would dress like this.
Now see this one now. If you want your curves to show, yes, you can. See,
but
not
be say they all over the place.
Yes.
You go carry Bobby come out, carry
At least you cover everything, but let you still look sexy.
Yeah. These are very trendy. They very they no overdo them.
But this one be like say they go church now.
And I see the same. It good now. If I say you
now
dress.
see this one in different styles. And it's still there appropriate
and
for work.
And see, all of them cover for work.
Yeah, still there appropriate for work.
You not go say anything. They know.
So tomorrow, not be waiting. You go
now for
now.
Men.
Tomorrow.
For men, okay.
For men, if you want to do business formal or
they dress
business
like this
casual,
now, come on.
You see, say the goggle not day too big. Some people they go wear oversized, so they go, just they push them. This one they just very appropriate. See now.
Why be seeing a little lapel picture on the use?
You know where they must.
You know.
You don't see my picture. See, I'm no little
see this one now. If you want to do business formal or business casual,
you see, why beside only this guy picture?
I don't know. Abante
K-Must no like.
Not only in the West. You see,
no, Abante K-Must get.
K-Must, you are following my hand though.
No, I do a family member K-Must. That's why.
You see,
He's K-Must family member.
K-Must no like you.
Continue, John.
So as we don't talk, they say wear eyeglasses where they fit. You know some people, they in the habit of, this trend now, they go wear very big.
Eyeglass and funny colors.
Not be say go day oversized. And not be say go day, the one where you go push up and down. They say wear the one where say now your size. Then for women and men, they say pay attention to your bag. Bag, yes. The bag where you carry for work, it dey matter. Not be say you go carry knapsack. Because say, now this one they put all my things I fit put them.
I guess some ladies where they go work, they carry 2 handbags. One, they go tell you say this one they get I know they carry 2 handbags. Somewhere they go pack shoe because women they na slippers they wear go work. The shoe go dey inside bag.
Yes.
Then they go get designer bag where they put something inside. Not only phone and other things they dey for inside. And the other bag will be like sack.
Since they day inside, no be say na only
women bag. I know things, fridge, stove, everything fit dey for inside them.
They say any bag where you carry, where your personal things go, they jump out or your briefcase. No carry that kind bag.
Okay.
Make sure say your things they neatly arranged
for inside
and
the
then
bag.
the thing close. Don't be say as you dey go for road, your makeup fall, you carry am. Your phone, you carry am. Carry bag where be say all your things go dey clean, tidy, neat inside your bag.
So waiting suppose they inside the bag.
Basically things where you go use for work. Not be say you go carry things where you go for party. Come carry them, come work.
Sometimes you don't understand this thing. Sometimes, from the office, you don't know exactly where you are going. So yours to make sure that everything is navigated inside your bag.
You want to carry your traveling bag.
Now Friday dressing she dey talk to. Now Friday dressing. Weekend dressing.
Even Monday, Tuesday.
Vanity case.
My sister, the hostel is real low. You don't know where you are going to every night. Okay.
Then they say don't wear strong perfume. People they do this mistake. Yes. They say if somebody else can smell it, then it's not good. Yes. You see, some people they wear perfume as if they take them back.
This one are not grill.
No.
So
like you pass for corridor now. Wait.
If you smell, now wahala.
If you smell, now wahala.
If you smell nice, now wahala.
Let me say if you smell nice, now wahala. Some people they in the habit, they go as if it's in na begon. From head, to shoe. Then carry another one. Fish. Then if they want to enter any office, freshen up. No be that kind one they talk. And no be say we say make it smell. One way be say naturalize. They your body, kini. It's okay.
This perfume on had me. So
you see, okay,
if person fit smell your perfume, it's not good.
Yes, you see. By the time I can perceive your perfume from that Casalla office. Not be that kind.
But if I come close to you and call you, go fit smell.
Of course, you not be saying your perfume go overpower me.
Oh, that kind one.
Not be that kind one. No.
I don't the fear now. I think say you go say if you smell my perfume now, wahala.
No, not be the kind where you say as you they come like. You don't say some. I don't want mention. Even if they Muri.
It lasts forever.
From Muri Okola, you go.
This kind of perfume when you say if you wash cloth 1 week. Isn't it smell for the money? Anyway, that's much chicken break for you. Want to come back? But begin taking a phone calls on top. What code? What be our topic again? Workplace dressing. How you supposed to dress for the work where you work? No, they can't be the topic. The things we don't talk already.
And the kind dressing where they don't see self for office.
Well, that's the kind of pictures we don't show already. First of all, Bumi only first talk say no the kind place where you work. know the kind appropriate dressing.
Yeah.
If na office you dey work, know the kind dress wey you suppose dress go office. Ladies, in fact, more gbas more chicken break. When you come back, our phone lines go dey open. Make una begin the call to take for talk on top the matter where they talk. Workplace dressing, will they come back?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.